we have done, good morning students. So we have done prepositions yesterday. We have done prepositions of time as well as place. So today we are moving towards prepositions of direction. Okay, after that we will do the exercise. So switch on to the board. Let us see. Students are still entering the class. I don't know why. So now next is prepositions of direction. Now preposition of directions. Okay, which prepositions of directions we have to do? For example, direction which tell us about direction. For example, mainly is into. Into means it shows. Into means when something is inside and it is moving towards it. Okay, into. Okay, right? And for example, towards. For example, he is moving towards the road. Means again it is showing the direction that he is moving towards the road.
I'm over आ सकता है.
Over, yes. Over, I'm
bird
taking.
is flying over the fence.
Okay, the bird is flying here over the fence. Okay, the bird here it is flying over the fence. Okay, so it means that it is again over means it is whenever something is going from one side to another. Okay, right? Yes. Two, yes. Two name. Two, but yes, two can also be there. Okay, for example, he is moving to the cinema, he is going to the cinema, right? Okay, two can also be there. Okay, at also can be there. Okay, so these are prepositions of directions. So next preposition is sometimes we have cause and purpose. Cause and purpose. Okay, so what are these prepositions of cause? Naturally, it simply gives, okay, that cause means what is the reason. Okay, for example, we say for we are making preparations for our sports day, right? Okay, we are equipped with hard work so that we can live. With can also be there here. Okay, we
I'm from
on account of. Okay, on account of, for example, on account of you can say Mahavir Jayanti, there is a holiday. Okay, this is the reason, purpose why there is a holiday. Okay, then ultimately for example, I need money for rent. Okay, so these are prepositions of cause and purpose, right? Next, afterwards we are having
I'm from.
yes. Okay, next afterwards we will do after that, but before that let us move to the exercise. Okay, see on page number 11. Let us see on page number 11. So on page number 11 we have given compounder, complex prepositions or simple prepositions we have to fill. So let us fill the prepositions. There is a funny umbrella. Stand the door.
Near the door.
Near the door. Stand
Near the door.
ing is missing by mistake. Okay, standing near the door. Next afterwards, dash a recent survey, the boy-girl ratio has fallen again.
I'm during a recent
survey. In. Next, this is dash near. This is dash your letter dated this. In. This is in your letter. Okay. Next, you must start dash time.
By time.
Time. You must start on time. Particular time is given. Please look in the box dash the window. Outside the window, near the window.
Outside the window.
The plants dash the front door are beginning to dry up. Again, place, preposition of place can be near in front of, yes.
Plants near
Life
the.
was simpler dash all the modern technical devices.
Without.
With. Okay, on the flight from Bagdogra, I sat dash a famous football star. I sat with along with also is also right. Okay, along with is also right. So next page 13. Okay, page number 13. I was born dash Shimla dash Thursday.
In Shimla on Thursday.
Muddy footprints dash the floor.
On the floor.
On the floor.
All the old magazine dash the cupboard.
In the cupboard. In the cupboard.
Dash 15 January every day.
On On 15
Right.
January.
This you can do. These are easy. I know. Okay, you will do it yourself. If you will have any problem, write down the sentence and send it to me. I will tell you. Okay, why. So next page, page number 14. Identify the prepositions and write what kind they are. We have to write down. We were surprised to see the old man jump over the edge. Here, over, it is what? It is of direction.
Over.
Over is for direction. Next.
Direction.
Okay, next. It was through sheer luck.
Direction.
Ma'am, your video is lagging.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, you just listen to me. It was through sheer good luck. Through is which? Through is
Cause and purpose.
caused, right? There was
Cause
no time.
and
There was no time.
purpose.
So we cut the cake with the fork. So is also what? So is also preposition of cause. Reason it is given. Okay. She put
Cause.
the knife in the
Cause.
cupboard. In the cupboard. In the cupboard means which it is?
In the
Place.
Place.
preposition of
Okay,
place.
when I peeped into the room, there was nobody. Into is of Direction.
Into.
direction.
Direction.
I was a shy young child amidst the crowd. Amidst means among. Then ultimately this is which? This is place. Place.
Place.
This is just nothing. I was looking for. For here it is which? For is
For. And
purpose. You have
Cause and purpose.
purpose.
right, cause and purpose. The show started at 4 p.m. At 4 p.m. So which?
Preposition of time.
At position. Time. At
First
time.
in time. In time again it is about time, then both are of time. Next, my teeth chattered from fear as I walked down the
As
dog
cause.
cause. The match was
Cause
cancelled
and
to bad weather
purpose.
again cause. Okay.
due.
Next, the last topic that
Due
we are
to.
having in this, you can say preposition is collocations. Okay, so what are collocations? It means sometimes the prepositions, they don't come alone. What are collocations? Means the prepositions, they do not come alone. Sometimes noun, okay, with noun plus preposition we have. Okay, sometimes with adjective we have adjective plus preposition. And sometimes we also have verb plus preposition. Okay, so many examples are given in your book. So let us go through these examples. Okay, so these are called as collocations. For example, noun is fondness of, for, grasp of, hatred of, hope for, interest in, love for, love of, need for, participation in, reason for, respect for. Okay. Then with adjective, afraid of, angry at, aware of, capable of, careless about, familiar with, fond of, happy about, interested in, jealous. So means sometimes these words, they always come with preposition. For example, he is laughing at the beggar. What is laughing here? It is verb. Actually, it is a participle. Okay. Then at is always used with that. This is what? This is collocation. So next is verb. I apologize for, you speak and this, ask about the details from him. Okay, ask for the permission from him. We say nice in the same manner. Then belong to, he belonged to this area. Bring up my all the belongings. I care for all the children. And then find out my pen. I am preparing for my exams. Okay, I study for my good life or happy life. And they always talk about all these things, right? So in this manner, you have to formulate sentences of reason for, fond of. Okay, for example, I'm fond of chocolates. Familiar, he's familiar with his father. Need for, I need for a great push-up. Ask about, I have already given ask about his whereabouts, where he has gone, right? So in this manner, you will formulate sentences on your own. Okay. On Monday, I will ask you what sentences you have formulated. Okay. So this is your practice only. Next page, we have prepositional phrase and we have to find out. So what is prepositional phrase? So next afterwards, students are still entering the class. I don't know why. Again, phrase. It means that phrase is there. It means preposition is not alone. Okay, right? It means that when the preposition is occurring in the form of group of words. Okay, for example, the words are being displayed on the computer. So on is always related to this, the computer. Okay, so this is phrase, prepositional phrase, because it includes a preposition. Okay, he walked into the darkened room. Into the darkened room. Okay, into again is preposition. It is used with darkened room. So these are prepositional phrases. Okay, so prepositional phrases in case of means that prepositional phrase means here preposition is always there. It can always contain preposition. Its object. Here it is computer and here it is room. Object is also there and it can be an adjective. Like here it is an adjective, darkened room. Okay, it can be adjective or it can be an adverb which is associated with it. Okay, so if there is an adjective, it works as an adjective. Okay, or if it is an adverb, it will work as an adverb. Okay, so whenever there is an adjective, what it does, it modifies the noun. So darkened room, now room is a noun, means it is used with a noun and it is modifying room. That what kind of room it is? It is a darkened room. Okay, so and if it is an adverb, for example, the poor man sat beside the fence. Now here beside is preposition, the fence again it is noun, but here this preposition is of which type? Because it is an adverb, it is telling us of place. Okay, right? So this is the reason why it is adverb. Okay, for example, I go for dance classes after school. After is again telling us about time. Okay, this is adverb. So this is how you will mention. Okay, right? Whether it is adjective or it is it is adverb phrase. So let us do the exercise, 1 or 2 sentences so that you can get to know. Next, Jia starts her music practice at 5 o'clock.
At 5 o'clock.
At 5
At 5 o'clock.
or at what it is adverb. Time it is telling adverb of time. So this is adverb.
Yes.
It functions as an adverb. The invitation cards for the wedding have arrived. For the wedding.
For the wedding.
For the wedding.
So it is noun.
Yeah.
Wedding is noun. So it is adjective. Which wedding cards? For the wedding. Which cards? For the wedding. The books in the box.
In the box.
In
In
the
the
box.
box.
So what it is qualifying which books which are in the box. So it is adjective. Okay. Do you know how to eat? How to eat. How is telling us manner. So it is adverb. Okay, it is acting as an adverb. The children leaned against the wall while they waited for their friends. Here which prepositional phrases?
Against the wall.
Against the wall.
Against the wall.
It is which?
Adjective.
Against the wall, it
Adjective.
is adverb. It is telling us about place. Adverb. My classroom is next to the staff room.
Next
To
to.
the staff room.
Okay,
Is
which
next
one
to.
it is? It is which one? Adjective.
To the staff.
Adjective. Okay. Don't leave the scissors on the table. On the table.
On the
On the
table.
table.
Which it is?
Table.
Which it is?
Adjective.
Adjective.
You must get back before 9 o'clock. It is?
Before 9 o'clock.
Before
Before
adverb.
9 o'clock.
Okay, which it is?
Adverb.
It is adverb. The car beside mine The car beside mine.
Beside mine.
Beside.
Mine.
Beside mine.
Okay, which it is beside
Adjective.
adjective. It is qualifying the car.
Adjective.
Vegetables in the basket.
In the
In the
basket.
basket is again
Adverb.
adjective. Adjective.
Adverb.
Vegetables qualifying please. Why did you leave your shoes inside the car?
Inside the car.
Inside the car.
Is adverb. According to Manoj,
Adverb.
adverb is
Adverb.
manner. Okay. So this is all for, you can say, that preposition. So next, I'm going to tell you about some important points about
Ma'am?
sentences. Yes. Okay, now let us start sentences. The next page. Okay, sentence analysis. Actually, so in a sentence, suppose I speak the sentence that all the members attended the meeting. So here, what is the subject? All the members. And what is the rest of the sentence? This you have done in your 6th class. This is called as predicate. Okay. So what is predicate? What
Your
makes
video is
a predicate?
very much lagging.
Predicate, it always tells us, okay, what it tells us something
Video
about,
is posing.
it tells us, gives information, it tells something about subject. It means that what all the members were doing. They were attending the meeting. For example, the students are writing in their books. So here, what is the subject? The students, what they are doing, are writing in their books. What they are doing, they are writing in their books. So are writing in their books is predicate. This is subject, and this predicate, it tells us more about subject. It tells, or it gives information about subject, that what the students are doing. But what is the main thing is there? So in case of predicate, we have finite verb. What is finite verb? Finite, for example, write. Right. If I have to change into past, it will change into wrote. Okay. If I have to change into that form, continuous, it is changes writing. It means it form is changing, right? Main basic form it is changing when we are changing the tense. Tense change किया तो change हो गई ना इसकी form. Okay. So these kind of verbs which change. Okay. These are called as finite verbs. Means in predicate there must be a finite verb. Okay. It can be a finite verb or it can be a simple verb also, and with an object. Here it is object, means object is also must, right? So this is called as predicate. So in 6th class you have done subject and predicate. So this is just an overview or a revision of subject and predicate. So let us do the exercise. Simple one. Okay, let us do. The chirping of birds woke me up.
The chirping of birds.
What it is?
Subject.
Subject woke me up.
Woke me up.
All people have equal rights. All people is
Yes.
subject and rest is predicate.
Subject.
High stone walls were built around the ground. High stone walls, subject, were built
Subject.
around the
Subject
ground.
and rest subject predicate.
I shot
Were
an
built
arrow
around
in
the
the air.
ground. Predicate. Shot an arrow.
Shot an arrow.
Shot an arrow. Subject. In the air.
Subject.
Predicate.
Okay. Right. Next, the railway station was crowded.
The railway station.
The railway station. Subject was crowded. Predicate.
Right. The rich may not always be content.
The rich.
The rich. Okay, I'm okay. Do it. Yes, the rich is subject may always not be content is
Subject.
predicate. We saw a delightful movie last night. Here, delightful movie is a subject, and we saw last night is predicate. It is not necessary that it should be in one line. Okay, right? Next, afterwards, we
Yes.
have to do
मैं
subject.
आपकी बहुत लैग हो रही है.
Next, afterwards, just a moment then. Next, afterwards, we have to do the subject verb attribute. Okay, so just a moment, please.